Alright, this is Elite Gourmet toaster. It has a, let me pull it for you, right here. You can see it has a long slot, so it can fit 4 toasts, 2 on each slot. Not complicated at all. You can see it doesn't have any displays here, no Wi-Fi connection, perfect. It's very simple to use, no learning curve. So when you plug it in, you're ready to use. We have a dial here for the time, how long the toast should be in the toaster. You have your reject button, reheat, and defrost. And how you start it, so first you set the time and just pull the cover down and the toast going in and getting heated up and toasted. If you want to eject, just press this button. Another thing I like about it, it has right here. So if you don't wanna your toast be toasted, or you just want big buns to get reheated, you just put on top and start, and it's get warmed up for you. And pull it down. We had this toaster for, oh my gosh, about 5 years or maybe even longer. And because how simple it is, I think it's lasting a long time, and I hope it will last much longer.